The community becomes an extension of your home, and we're many, many acres of community. So if you want to walk around without a mask and those sorts of things and enjoy the community, any of those sorts of things, if the community decides that they're not applying to this community, then they don't, and the community becomes an extension of your home. And that's, to me, we're seeing President of the U.S. talk about mask mandates again. Well, I don't want to wear a mask again. I studied in genetics and did a lot of stuff with viruses in university back a long time ago, but I knew from day one the virus is much smaller than the holes in the masks. It's like throwing sand at a mesh fence. So to me, it was kind of a complete waste of time, but I'm not going to do that again, right? So to me, I'll just go to one of our communities and I don't have to. So that's the way I look at it. And it's also freeing with the community of like-minded people. I'm not saying everybody's exactly the same or don't disagree. You got lots of disagreements, but we're kind of like the old school way of disagreeing, which is you can agree to disagree, and that's okay. You can still be friends, you still be neighbors. You don't get canceled, you don't get censored. And it's just like things used to be. Where I grew up in a farming community in central Canada, I mean, there was plenty of times that I didn't agree with my friends, but we didn't say, oh, well, you're on that political spectrum and I'm on this one, so we can't be friends. Again, I talked already about the community food. We have the livestock, the orchards and gardens, tilapia, all those things. It's just really nice to be independent. You don't have to rely on that if you don't want. There's beautiful grocery stores nearby. But of course, if you want to or you need to at some point, it's there.